Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng property na may mababang down payment for as low as 5,000 monthly DP at malapit sa Manila and Airport? Expanded minimalist house, flood-free at may matibay na gawa? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Located ito sa Barangay Santol, Tansa, Cavite at halos boundary nga lang ito ng General Trias. Approximately 15 minutes drive lang ito going to Robinson General Trias, SM Tansa at 45 to 60 minutes drive lang ito going to PITX. Few minutes drive going to school, hospital, market, worship area, commercial establishments at sa 3 major central business district dito sa Cavite. May minimum lot size ito na 44 square meters kaya naman meron tayong provision for 1 carport. At may space pa tayo sa service area na pwede mong gamitin for your future home expansion. Basic finish turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize nyo ang interior design gaya ng tiles, color ng paint, sukat at layout ng mga rooms. May floor area ito na 58 square meters kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living, dining at kitchen area. Pagdating naman sa ating second floor, meron tayong provision for 3 bedrooms. At ang maganda nga sa property na to ay meron na tayong toilet and bath dito sa second floor. At may mataas na floor to roof height. Total contract price is 2,412,000. Monthly down payment is 4,945 for 18 months. At ang ating monthly amortization sa pag-ibig for 30 years ay 14,462. Tamang-tama nga ito sa mga nangangupahan pa dahil habang naghahantay tayo, mababa lang ang ating down payment for as low as 5,000 monthly. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!